video, I'm going to go over this 20-volt multifunctional battery-operated fan that accepts the Dewalt battery, but I think you can get it in a couple other options too. Let's just show you the box here. It's a super cool win, LED light. It's got oscillation to it, and it's got a USB output on it. There's the overall. It's got a IP rating of 54. It's a 7-inch fan, number of blades 3, rotating speeds 1300 on low and 2200 on high. Battery, we do not get a battery with this, so let me just show you everything. We don't need that. You do get a cable right here for if you just want to run it to an AC port. Little set of instructions, a remote. You're gonna have to pull a little thing out. Very nice remote. You know, there's on and off, up and down. It does all the basic features. Now I have the 2 amp hour like Dewalt battery here. Let me show you the fan. So to put this on, it just goes in right like that. So there it is, it's locked in. That's a hanger for hanging it. If you want to hang it just like that, very nice feature on that. Now we'll close that back up. You got a little handle right here for carrying it. That's where you're going, if you're going to use the AC adapter, that's where you're going to put it right there. Now out here is the output. Let's test the output. I actually have not even tried that. I got a USB-C cable here. Run it right there. So that'd be handy if you got a Dewalt, if you got a lot of these Dewalt batteries. Well, it definitely charging my iPhone. I don't see any issues with that. That worked out great. You don't get that cable with it. That's my cable. So you've got a timer right there, fan speed right here, LED light there, and oscillation here. So let's turn it on, hold that down for a few seconds. When you hold it down, we're on 1, 2, 3, high plus, LED light, 1, 2, and 3 on the LED. The timer, I can set it from 1, 2, 3, 4 on the timer. I think those are hours. And then right here is the oscillation right here. That right there is where you're going to use the remote. I can shut it all off with a remote, turn it all right back on. Oscillation on, 1. Now it's got 25 degrees, 50, 75, and 180. So let's do the 180. Let me show you how it's done on 180. Y'all see that? Turn it up. 2, 3, and 4. Is that not great, everybody? For the price of this thing, this is such a great little like fan. I don't see any issues with this. I didn't even really go over the instructions because I have another fan like this. This worked out perfect. The fact that you get to use Dewalt batteries in this thing and you get all that power right there, that feels really good blowing right there. This would be great for camping, working on a job site, somewhere like that where you need a quick kind of fan, and if you need a backup, just put in your AC adapter and that'll work just fine. You don't want to do the oscillation, just lock it in place like that. You don't want to do the LED, turn it off just like that. So yeah, I don't see any issues with this fan at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just looking for a good, affordable fan that can use your existing Dewalt batteries that won't break the bank. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the Proximally Dewalt accepting battery fan. See y'all in the next video.